Look at this image. And now this one. Both are the same image, just render with an AI tool. Yes, now you can turn any sketch into any art style. If you are an architect or product designer, then this tool could be your best helping hand. In this video, I am going to share the step-by-step method of rendering sketch images into realistic images. So, without further ado, let's dive in. To convert a sketch into a realistic image, today I will use an AI art generator called Prome AI. To find Prome AI, open your browser and visit promeai.pro. This is the Prome AI homepage. Now we have to create an account. You can create an account with your email or Google account. After creating the account successfully, your interface will be like this. Here you will find a vast number of tools list including Sketch Rendering, AI Image Generator, Creative Fusion, Photo to Sketch, and many more. It's a multi-purpose AI art generator. Today I will talk only about the sketch rendering feature. After coming to the sketch rendering feature page, you will see the previous generations by the other users. To generate your own image, click on the plus button from here. After that, upload the sketch image you want to render. For example, I want to render this image. After uploading the image, come to the prompt box. Describe your image properly. You can skip it, but my suggestion is to describe the image properly. It will help to generate great images. After the prompt, come to the style setting from here. In the style setting, you will find the art styles. You will find every possible art style here. Select your desired one. I will go with the cinematic photography style. After selecting the art style, come to the scene option. Here you will find design scenes like architecture, interior, commercial space, landscape design, game character, game scene, fashion design, furniture design, jewelry design, footwear design, vehicle design, consumer electronics, and packaging design. Select the desired one. If your image doesn't require any scene, skip it. Next, the render mode. Select the outline mode to get a similar image. After selecting the scene, you can enter the negative prompt. Next, set the artistry value. After that, you can select the view. It allows you to set the camera control. You can set it as wide angle view, close-up shot, full body shot, 360 panorama, aerial view, bird's eye view, and other possible views. After all is set, hit the generate button. Prome AI will take around 30 seconds to generate the images. And here is our result. You can see, it generates 3 images for us. Let's see the results. Prome AI did an extraordinary job. On the left side, you can see the original sketch, and on the right side, the generated image. Now let's generate the same image in anime style. And here is the result. In this way, you can generate realistic and anime images from realistic. However, I told you earlier that architectural designer can render their sketch into realistic images. Now I will try that feature. For example, I want to convert this sketch into a Mexican-style architectural design. After uploading the sketch image, come to the prompt box. This time I will keep it blank. Just change the generation mode to V1 for 1. After that, come to the style option. Now we have to come to the architecture tab from here. Here you will notice a vast number of architectural design styles. Select your desired one from here. After that, keep the render mode precise. Next, you can add a reference image. Okay, after all is set, hit the generate button. And here are our results. Prome AI did a great job. Now an architect doesn't need to spend hours upon hours to render his sketch. Prome AI will save a lot of time and effort. Not only an architect designer, but can also be the best assistant to interior designers, landscape designers, or product designers. For example, an interior designer wants to render this sketch into a realistic image. Like the architect's design, we have to upload the sketch image. Now we have to come to the interior design tab from the style option. Here you will find options for floor plan, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and living room. In my case, I have selected a sketch of a living room. After coming to the desired category, select your preferred styles. After that, set the render mode. I will keep it precise. After all is set, hit the generate button. And here it is. Our living room design is ready, and you can see the result. In this same way, you can generate landscape design, floor plan, and others. There are so many other options available on Prome AI. We already made a video on how you can generate a superb model with Prome AI. You can watch the video from the I button. If you want to know more about Prome AI, let me know in the comment section. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about the Prome AI sketch to image generation model. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.